W-4, how to use H&R Block W-4 Refund Calculator. The H&R Block W-4 Refund Calculator is a tool designed to help you adjust your tax withholdings and optimize your paycheck or refund. Here's a detailed guide to get you started. What is the W-4 Refund Calculator? This tool helps you estimate how much federal income tax should be withheld from your paycheck. It ensures that you neither owe a large amount nor receive an excessively large refund at tax time, allowing you to manage your finances more effectively. How to use the W-4 Refund Calculator. 1. Gather your information, current paycheck stubs for all jobs. Last year's tax return. Salary information for the rest of the year. Details about deductions, credits, and additional income. 2. Access the calculator. Visit the H&R Block W-4 calculator page, https://www.hrblock.com/w-4-calculator. To begin. 3. Input your details, enter your filing status, example single, married, filing jointly. Provide information about your income, deductions, and dependents. Include any additional income sources or adjustments. 4. Review results. The calculator will show your estimated refund or the amount you might owe. It will also suggest adjustments to your W-4 form to better align your withholdings with your financial goals. 5. Update your W-4 form. Use the results to complete a new W-4 form and submit it to your employer. Why use the W-4 Refund Calculator? Avoid surprises, prevent underpayment penalties or unexpected tax bills. Maximize your paycheck, adjust withholdings to keep more money in your paycheck throughout the year. Accommodate life changes, update your W-4 after major events like marriage, having children, or starting a new job. You can explore the tool and get started here. https://www.hrblock.com/w-4-calculator.